Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can circle to search with Google for anything and everything on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, tap on the home button, and what you want to do is if you want to search for an object, so this particular USB adapter, open up your camera and then take a photo. Next, open up the picture and then touch and hold on the home button. Now circle the object, and from here you can see it will be able to find that particular object. So for this metal thing here, we can take a photo. It's best if you can try to take a 3D photos of the object like that. And here, touch and hold onto that home button, and then it will try to search for that object. So something is stuck right there, so probably try again. So if it doesn't work the first time, you can always take the pictures at a different angle. So here I'll do this without holding it with my hand. So touch and hold on the home button, and Google will try to search for it, and here you can see it managed to find that same object. So let's try another one, the adapter, USB adapter. So here we take a pictures of it, then we touch and hold the home button, and while we circle that, and there it is. So you can see it finds that adapter fairly quick. So let's do another example. This one right here, another adapter. So I'll take a photo of this rod, then touch and hold on the home button, and here we can circle it, and there it is. It's found it fairly quick. So that is how you can look for objects. Let's look at this one here. This one is inside a plastic bag, so I'll take a picture of that, and then we'll circle it. Let's see if it find with the object inside the bag. So there you go. It can find that thermal paste even when it is inside that bag. So that's pretty cool features. If you update your device to the latest version of software, you should be able to simply touch and hold on the home button and then circle to search. Whatever that is on the screen, you can circle and search for that subject right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.